Assalamu alaikum. If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Moreover, for appreciation, like our video and share it with your friends. You can also comment below giving your suggestions. Now let's start today's video. The pronoun and the adjective or determiner. First person: I, me, myself, we, ourselves. Second person: you, yourself, yourselves, though, they self. Third person: he, his, himself, she, herself, they, their, themselves, it, itself. Firstly, note the common use of possessive adjectives. That is my table. That table is mine. Who came to our house? Sammy came to ours. Niza went to theirs. Others went to a house that is his. The fame is hers alone. Mine are the honors. Which pen is yours? It is perhaps theirs. No, it is mine. No, it is my pen. This sentence is equal to no, it is mine. Was this car his last year? Yes, it was his. Now it is Sumera's. Secondly, the pronoun it is used in sentences like the following. Who is there? It is I. What time is it? It is 5 o'clock. It is raining all around. It is cool now. It was you who told me it was time to play the piano. No, it was not I. Who will sing? It is expected of you. It looks strange, an old woman singing song of love. 1. It is used when any or every person is meant. One should know one's duties. Every person should know his duties. One once, according to the singular or plural nouns. He writes a book every year. The one he is writing now is about the Mongols. Some students are present, the ones you want to see are absent. Also note every one of them has his or her problems. Anybody who goes to SWAT may please send me his or her address. When we talk of both men and women, we use the masculine pronoun. Everyone should do his best in life. Interrogative pronouns and adjectives what, which is used when selection is made from a given set of things or persons. Which of these movies is historical? Which fruit do you like best? What is used when the selection is in a general way from an unknown set? What cities have you seen? What movie do you like to watch in your leisure time? Relative pronouns. The students who or that have passed are here. Was the Iraq-American War, which or that the world tried to stop the result of Muslim disunity? Have the guests that or whom we had invited arrived? In B and C, which, that, whom may or may not be used. Was the Iraq-American War? The word but note that is used when the words after it explain or restrict the position or action of the person or object before it. Leaders that rise through corruption soon fall. Sorrows that come late are more troublesome. Who or which is used when that cannot be used in the above way, explaining or restricting the position of the person or object at the beginning. Our teacher, who is foreigner, knows several languages. The books which are lying here are on the forward and backward march of history. Who or which should not be used after third after third degree adjective and little, much, all, none, everything, no. This is the best book that you can read on this subject. I tell you the little that I know of the accident. All the glories that we have achieved are short lived. That is used when a person and animal or thing is at the beginning. Rahil and the car that had been in the police station are now with the magistrate. Whom, who, and that. She is the girl whom everyone liked for her good manners, or she is the girl whom or who everyone liked, or she is the girl that everyone or leave out whom, who, or that. However, the relative pronoun whom takes the preposition before it in written English. Our teacher from whom I got the book is a man of learning, or our teacher whom or who I got the book from, or our teacher that I, or our teacher. The order of pronouns. Note that we generally use pronouns in this order: second person, third person, first person. You, he, and I can study and play together. Your house, Nelson's house, and mine are all new. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like our video, share it with your friends, comment below for your suggestions. Thanks for watching.